putting the Miami-Dade County diesel-powered hot water pressure washer back on their tank skid. Here's the 104 tank skid that I sold them a couple years ago. Hydro-Tek unit, hold on a second. Never mind. Yeah, Miami-Dade County tank skids are pretty nice setups. If anybody needs something they can slide in, slide out on the go. They have 270 gallon tank, 45 gallon tank, chemical tank, 30-inch hose reels, extra amount of 1-inch inlet hose. You can put 200, 300, 400 foot of high pressure hose on that reel. For more information, contact Dan Swede, Industrial Cleaning Equipment and Supply, Fort Lauderdale, Florida, 954-778-4386. For more details, for sales at ICES.net. Thank you.